If you are planning to buy Semrush Pro plan, then this is the perfect time for you. Right now, Semrush is offering an SEO consultation worth $300 for absolutely free. This offer is available for those who will upgrade to Semrush Pro plan during this offer period. After upgrading to the Pro plan, you only need to fill out a short form, and an expert SEO agency will analyze your website and your business goals. Next, you need to attend your personalized SEO consultation and receive your customized strategy. You will receive a live, 1-hour SEO consultation about how to increase your online visibility. You'll learn a Semrush workflow so you know exactly what steps to take to achieve SEO success. Getting an expert to discuss your SEO strategy can be a great help, and it can save you a lot of time and efforts. So, if you are planning to grow your business using Semrush, this is the perfect opportunity for you. You can directly access this offer from the first link down below in the video description. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos like these.